Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm gonna let you know ways to withdraw money from Prizepicks. In order to withdraw money from Prizepicks, you just have to follow the simple steps. So first thing first, you need to make sure that that you're eligible to withdraw funds. Now, if you're new to account, then it might take several days or it might take a couple of hours in order to complete the withdrawal procedure. And next thing you want to make sure is that you have read the terms and condition. So according to Prizepicks, you cannot withdraw funds if you don't have enough balance. So to withdraw funds, you have to tap on the try bar icon from the top left hand side corner. Then you'll be able to see this sort of page where you have to click on withdrawal request. As you click on withdrawal request, you could see this option that is withdraw funds or withdrawal history. So here you want to go to withdrawal funds. If you see this statement as your account is not eligible for withdrawal, then this means you don't have enough balance. So you need to make sure to add some balance and then try the withdrawal procedure one more time. Next thing you want to do is after you've tapped on it, you'll be able to see your fund history or withdrawal history. So here you want to go ahead and type in the exact amount that you want to transfer, all of that. Follow the in-app instructions and you'll be able to know you've successfully withdrawn funds from your Prizepicks. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.